What I love most about my job is that we are making a difference in people's lives. We are helping them achieve what they want to be doing. We can make their quality of life a lot better. My name is Chang. I am an orthopedic surgeon. I specialize in adult hip and knee replacements. What inspired me the most to get into orthopedics, someone has high blood pressure, they have to manage with medications, they can't really fix the high blood pressure. If someone comes in and they have a bad arthritic hip or knee joint, we can actually fix that and get them back doing what they want to be doing. So it was the ability to be able to help someone by fixing their problem rather than just managing their problem. My goal is to try to treat the patient as an individual. Every person is different. Orthopedics is always evolving. There's always new techniques, new technologies. The biggest impact are the rapid recovery techniques. And that involves everything from getting a person ready before surgery, physical therapy, having them get physically ready to have the surgery, then performing the surgery, and then getting them up and getting them mobile again. These days, a lot of people get up the same day that they have their surgery, whether it's a hip or knee replacement. It's very gratifying when people come back in and they were able to do something that they were not able to do before they had their surgery, such as hiking a 14er here in Colorado. That's a very big deal. It's very gratifying that we can help them and give them the ability to get to their goals.